Anybody know? Any of my staff or teachers know what song I just played by chance? No, it was really, uh-oh. The Pink Panther, you know what? That's a good cartoon. That is a good cartoon, but that's not quite it. That's not quite it. I just played Flight of the Bumblebee. Everybody say Flight of the Bumblebee. Very fast classical piece of music, and I played it on a very special instrument. Anybody know what this is? Anybody know? Anybody got a guess? Any guess? Raise your hand if you think you know what this is. Raise your hand if you think you know what this is. Young man, stand up with the red jacket. Yep. Yep. What do you think this is? Woo! A xylophone. A xylophone. You know what? It's not a xylophone, but it's close. But it's close. But just because you answered, I got something for you. I got something for you. Come here. Come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here. Just because you answered. What's your name? Xavier. All right. Come on up here. I want to show you something. So, this is very similar to a xylophone, right? Very close, but it's not exactly like a xylophone, okay? It's not exactly the same. Here, I'm gonna let you, go ahead grab this mallet real quick. Go ahead, just beat around it real quick. Beat around, just beat around. Just try to, yeah, that's all you gotta do. Yeah, just beat around on it. Yeah, that's all you need, that's all you need, all right? So, this is very close to a xylophone, all right? Everybody say xylophone? But it's a little bit different. This is called a marimba. Everybody say marimba. Marimba. Say marimba. Marimba. There you go. Say marimba. All right, so this is a marimba. It's like a xylophone, but it's much larger. Very large in size, as you can see. It goes about 4.5 feet. And what happens is when you hit one of these notes, hit one of those notes for me. Hit one of those notes. Right. You see how long it rings? Listen to how long it rings. Hit that note. Ooh. So what happens, you hit this note vibrates, it comes through these pipes, and it goes out to you. Does that make sense? Yeah. So this is a marimba. Good job, good job. Appreciate you, man. Give it up for him. Give it up for him. Cool, so we are here, and we represent MAPS, Motivational Art, Performance, and Sound. We're going to teach you today about a very important and special word. It deals with one of your 5 senses. One of your 5 senses. Who knows their 5 senses? Give me a sense. What's a sense? What's one of your senses? Your tongue, which you use your tongue for what? To taste, right? That's one, taste. That's not the one I'm looking for, but that's one of them. Give me one. Your nose, what do you use your nose for? To smell. That's right, that's right, that's right. So that's 2. All right? Yes, ma'am. Ear. Yeah, what do you use to hear? Right, okay. Use your ears to hear, so that's 3. Now, hearing is extremely important. I'm actually going to come back to hearing because the way that you grow as a leader is being able to listen. All right, so we're going to come back to that. Yes, sir, in the glasses. Yes, sir. Eyes. Ooh, I spy. And you might have the right answer. So your eyes. What do we use with our eyes? What do we do? See. To see. Okay, then there's one last one. There's one last one. Yes, sir. Touch. And what do you do with touch? You feel, right? So we got feel, we got hear, we got smell, we got taste, and we have see, right? And to me, one of the very most important one of these is being able to see. But I'm not talking about seeing with your eyes. Everybody blink your eyes, blink your eyes, blink your eyes. I'm actually not talking about seeing with your eyes. I'm talking about seeing with your heart and seeing with your mind. Being able to visualize. Does that make sense? Everybody say visualize. Visualize. So the special word that we're going to learn about today is vision. Everybody say vision. Vision. Having a vision for your life. Having a vision for what you want to accomplish. Having a vision for when you grow up and you change the world. Having a vision. I heard that you guys like Stephen Covey. Is that right? You guys like Stephen Covey? You guys know the seven habits of a leader? You know? Can you name one? Synergize, that's one, yep. Be proactive, that's 2. Say it again. Begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. We're going to come back to that. What's another one? Sharpen the saw. Yeah, you got to sharpen the saw. You got to sharpen the saw. That's right. Yes, ma'am. Put first things first. Yep. I think there's one more. Oh, we already said synergize. We already said begin with the end in mind. Think, win. There you go. So, when I talk about using vision, when I say to see your success, to visualize your success, to have a vision for your future, which one of those am I talking about? Anybody know? Oh, I heard it. Begin with the end in mind. Beginning with the end in mind. So, when we say begin with the end in mind, that means when you look at the end, you have to visualize. You have to have a vision for it. Does that make sense? That makes sense? Now, sometimes a vision requires multiple things, right? Sometimes vision requires hard work. Sometimes it requires dedication. Sometimes it requires teamwork. Everybody say teamwork. All right? So we're gonna kind of split this into 4 sections. All right? We're gonna split this into 4 sections. This line right here with my lovely lady in the pink sweater, you guys, all of you, scoot up just a little bit. Scoot up. Just a little bit. Scoot up, come on, a little bit more. All right, you guys back there. Back. Yeah. All right, just right here, you guys, you scoot back, son. You scoot back, son. And you guys, you scoot up, son. Perfect. So, we're going to talk about teamwork. I'm going to play a little something for you real quick. In each one of these sections, we got section number 1. Section number 1, let me hear you. This is section number 1. What's up? Let me hear you, section 1. Okay, section 1's okay. Okay, section 1. Uh-oh. Section number 2, what you got, for? Woo, section number 2, that's all right. Okay. Section number 3, what's up? There you go. And last but not least, the heavy hitters of 5th grade. Section number 4. All right. So, section number 1, you're going to be blue. All right? What color are you? Perfect. Section number 2, you're going to be black. What color are you? All right. Section number 2 ain't playing with you. Section number 2. Section number 3, you are going to be gray. What color are you? All right. Section number 4, guess what you're going to be? What you going to be? Purple. That's right. All right. So we got what color? We got what color? We got what color? All right. So I'm going to play something. And I want you to raise your hand when you see your color being played. Now, to make this song happen, it takes teamwork. All 4 have to work together. It won't sound the same unless all 4 work together. So it takes teamwork. It takes working in unison. Does that make sense? It takes synergizing. Does that make sense? So we're going to play all 4 of these together. And when you see yours, mallet, go, you raise your hand. Good job, good job. So, this is February, right? Yeah. What's special about February? There's a couple things that are special about February. Who can name me something special about February? Valentine's Day, that's one. There's another one. Groundhog Day, that's two. There's another one. Yeah. Birthdays. Whose birthday's in February? Woo! Okay. What's something special about the whole month? You want to know? President's Day, that's true, that's true. Black History Month, right. So I'll just play the song. I'll play the song for you. That, can anybody tell me what song that was? Anybody know? Yes, ma'am. Woo, come here. Come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here. What's your name? Ariella. What was the name of that song again?
Amazing Grace.
Amazing Grace. Give it up for Ariella.